Welcome to the Solax instructional installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of Solax ESS-AELIO cabinet. Before installation, please prepare the following tools to ensure the installation. Please note that the following conditions are met. Use a forklift to move the cabinet to the installation site. Tear off the protective film on the package and unpack it. Cut the key and open the door. Secure the door and check whether the internal wiring and cabinet casing are damaged. Unpack the inverter. Unpack the cable cover. ESS-AELIO offers two mounting options, forklift and crane mounted. Please choose installation methods according to the actual situation. If the eye bolts are required to be installed based on the actual situation, please strictly follow the steps below. Remove the M20 screws inside the top eye bolt holes using a torque wrench. Insert and clockwise the eye bolts with a steel pipe. Please remember, put the silicone gaskets in place before inserting the eye bolts. When using a forklift to move the cabinet, please secure it according to the actual situation to ensure that the cabinet does not pose a risk of tipping over. Attach the angle supports to the cabinet, and insert M12 screws and tighten them clockwise using a torque wrench. Use a rubber hammer to drive the M12 expansion bolts into the foundation screw holes, and then tighten them clockwise with a torque wrench. Confirm the position of the inverter bracket on the battery cabinet. Remove the screws. Take the mounting bracket out from the inverter carton. Align the bracket with the holes on the cabinet. Secure the bracket with screws from the cabinet accessory. Remove the carton. Remove the two M10 screws on the two sides of the inverter. Install the two handles into the two holes. Lift the inverter from the carton. Do not damage the coating on the inverter. Hold the inverter by hands when lifting it from the carton, or it is near the mounting bracket, to prevent inverter damage. Remove the handles on the two sides of the inverter. Reinstall and tighten the screws. Secure the mounting bracket and the inverter. The antenna shall be installed after finishing installation of the inverter. You can decide whether the reserve port connects an antenna based on the actual situation. Remove the silicone cap and install the antenna. Disassemble the AC connector. Thread the stripped grid and EPS cable through the AC connector. Connect the assembled grid cable to the grid terminal block on the inverter. Tighten terminals with M6 screws. Connect the assembled EPS cable to the EPS terminal block on the inverter. Tighten terminals with M6 screws. Secure the assembled AC connector on the inverter with screws. Well-connected AC connector on the inverter with screws. Well-connected AC connector. Remove PV caps. Insert the assembled PV cables into the PV terminals on the inverter respectively. PV caps. Please cover the unused PV terminals with a PV cap. On the inverter, remove the battery protective cover from the inverter. Please cover the unused PV terminals with a PV cap. Remove the battery protective cover from the inverter. Remove battery caps from the inverter. Insert assembled battery cables into the battery terminals on the inverter. Remove battery caps from the inverter. Insert assembled battery cables into the battery terminals on the inverter. Reinstall the protective cover on the inverter. Reinstall the protective cover. Connect the PE cable. Connect the PE cable. Pinch both ends of the connector to remove it. Be careful to distinguish each wire before threading. Pinch both ends of the connector to remove it. Be careful to distinguish each wire before threading. Connect a cable fixture according to the labeling. Connect a cable fixture according to the labeling. Reinstall the connector. Remove the waterproof cover from the grid in port and connect to the grid. For grid wiring, each country has different standards. Please choose according to your local standards. Unscrew the screws and remove the cover. Each country has different standards. Please choose according to your local standards. Unscrew the screws and remove the cover. Connect the PE cable. Unscrew M4 screws and remove the cover. Connect the PE cable. Unscrew M4 screws and remove the cover. Connect L1, L2, L3 and N according to the wire sequence and color. Connect L1, L2, L3 and N according to the wire sequence and color. Reinstall the waterproof cover. Reinstall the waterproof cover. After the connection is done, don't forget to seal the hole with fireproof mud. After the connection is done, use a hexalobular key to install the cable cover. Use a hexalobular key to install the cable cover.